Hello, my name is Benning Liu and I'm really happy to introduce you today to the ProGlove Cloud. The ProGlove Cloud is for us the only logical next step in our ProGlove ecosystem. Within our ProGlove Cloud, you can digitize all the data and all the devices you have on your shop floor. Talking about device management, imagine you have over hundreds and hundreds of ProGlove devices in your shop floor. How can you manage them? How can you see the battery lifetime? And how can you also see when is the next software update which is needed? You can just update them via air. But not only the device management, also if you're talking about the job analysis, you can see exactly where are the bottlenecks in your shop floor without going there. You just sit in your back office and you know exactly when is the most stressful time, when are the most scans be done, so you know exactly what to do. You need to reallocate your workers or give new instructions within peak times. This is not a problem for our job analysis. So for us, the human worker is in the center of all we are doing. So we are having not only a digital twin, but also a human digital twin. Join us in our ProGlove Cloud journey to be more predictive and non-reactive. So you can see all your processes here. I would like to show you a small demo where you can see our real-time data flows into your cloud. So I have here with me some barcode and our mark display. So I will just scan it and then I can see here behind me a lot of changes, and you can see directly that the data flows in. But this is not the only demo I want to show you. Our next big thing is the job analysis. So I would like to show you some of our demo here. I want to show you our job analysis. So you can see we are just taking our picking logistics center as an example. We can select any custom day we want to. Let's do the 4th of March. You can see all our devices displayed and also the total scans. But if you want to go into details, you can also see any station. We just picked station 14 and station 6. You can see there is where the jobs takes longer than the average. We can zoom in and investigate why is it like this. We can see that in station 14, for example, there are not so many scans, but the time takes so much longer. It could be that there is a wrong barcode or not so good displayed barcode, but this is a thing which we can see and display within a longer period of time. Thank you for watching our demo with the cloud. I hope you enjoyed it, and we are looking forward to going with you together to our human digital twin.